The Interplast team, led by team leader Dr. Mark Strahan, visited the surgical patients this morning at Mt Hagen General Hospital. Many of the patients who came for the operation were from other parts of the Highlands region. A total of 30 patients, mostly children who had cleft palates and burns on their body, underwent surgery. Some of the patients told EMTV News that they had waited for 2 to 3 years for the Interplast team to visit PNG again so that they could come to the hospital.
We've been here for 2 weeks now and we've seen and treated over 100 patients. They travel from many provinces and many of them stay here for a number of days. We work closely with the local surgeons, learning from each other, enjoying each other's company and enjoying the local food, climate and sites.
Interplast Australia is a non-profit organisation based in Melbourne. Interplast sends out volunteers who are mostly surgeons and other specialist doctors to Asia-Pacific region to provide plastic and reconstructive surgeries, as well as building the capacity of local medical systems through their training and mentoring programs by training local surgeons. Their mission is to repair bodies and rebuild lives. They do this through providing surgical services to those who cannot afford to or have little to no access to quality surgical services.
The local hospital here works well, mainly because of the dedication of its staff. Limited resources are available here in the Highlands, and it's due to the hard work of the nurses, the technicians, the orderlies, the cleaners, etc., that make it such a useful place to come to and a success for the patients.
Those who came to Mt Hagen were 2 surgeons, 2 anaesthetists, 2 nurses, and a local surgeon, Dr. Akule Dunlop, who is currently trained under them. The team will leave this weekend for Australia. The last time they came to Mt Hagen was in 2012, when they saw 200 patients and have operated only on a few. This year, they saw more than 100 patients, but operated only 30 patients due to limited time. Vasinata Yama, National EMTV News, Mt Hagen.